Now this is what something my Apple Watch looks like when I'm using it for past 10 months. And it is not something that I use it very harshly because I have a protector installed on it. If you see right now as well, there is a protector on it. But then why this problem suddenly? You might be thinking the same, right? And it's not just me, it is like most of the people are facing this thing online. And to dig into more in this particular problem, I personally visited the Apple Store. So in this video, I'll be talking everything based on my personal experience. So in case if you're new to my channel, make sure to click that subscribe button because not only this video, but all videos are created on the user experience basis. And in this video particularly, I'll be talking about how you can exactly fix this discoloration issues, and after fixing it, what will be the precaution that you should take. So basically, I live in Mumbai, and if you are unaware of it, that Apple Store, the official Apple Store, are only available in Mumbai and Delhi as of now in India. So for me, it was easy to access the store, but this process can even be done online. So even if you are outside from Mumbai or Delhi, you can still get this issue fixed. So I visited the Apple Store BKC. But one thing to remember, if you are gonna do the same, just make sure you take the appointment prior so that you don't need to wait like the other people. They were just waiting for their product in line to just get the product replacement done. So when I went to this Apple Store with the appointment, I was quickly given the Apple Genius bar access, and there was a genius who was waiting for me. I'm not kidding, this is just the Apple terminology. They call their Apple service employees as genius, which is again a marketing tactic. But coming to the discussion that I had with them was really very good. They were very friendly, unlike the normal service center people. I really felt that the experience was truly good when it comes to the Apple replacement and everything. The person genuinely questioned me what was needed and responded to all my questions in detail. But what was the discussion that we exactly had? So basically, he asked me for a few questions. Those were like, do I like to get this product checked under the service of Apple? If yes, then he will be running the diagnose on your device using your iPhone. Then he will check if you have a warranty available and if this can be fixed into that warranty itself. And once done so, and if you agree the things, then he will let you know that the Apple will get this fixed with this process. First, this device will be sent to the Apple depot, and since this particular device does not usually gets opened up easily, maybe because of the water resistant, so in most of the cases this device will get replaced. And if we are okay with that, then they will go ahead with the process and they will let you know the details that they will check if the water has actually went inside and caused any damage, and maybe that's the problem that the discoloration has happened, and in that case the warranty will be void because it is water resistant and not waterproof. Once done so, at the end he will take your signature to make sure that you are the genuine person, and he will ask you to verify your email and your phone number so that they can contact you easily. Then the device will be disconnected from your mobile phone, the Find My will be turned off, and you will also receive a confirmation email for this, and after that you need to wait for 5 working days. Now I was quite confused like how exactly the 5 working days will be, but I forgot to ask this with them at that time. So later on I itself realized how exactly this works, because see, 5 working days means not the store's working day, it is the service center working day, which means it will be from Monday to Friday. So it will exclude the Saturday, Sundays, because the store will be active on Saturday, Sunday. So I thought I might receive it on the weekends, but no, that is not the case. So what happened, I submitted this on Wednesday, and by Monday morning I was able to receive the mail at around 11:15 something that my device is ready to pick up. You will also receive a link to direct tracking, but don't trust on that link because sometimes that link is not quickly updated. Means what happened in my case, even after receiving the mail on the website, it was still showing that it will be soon dispatched, and I was waiting for the same thing without even checking my email. So make sure to be active on your emails because that is where you get the live updates. And because of this website reason, I wasn't able to collect the device on Monday, And in that same email, they mentioned that if you're not able to collect on Monday, you need to call us and let us know and book another appointment. But again, the Apple store was closed, so I wasn't able to contact them at the night. So next day, without even booking any appointment, I directly visited the store, and luckily I was able to get the replacement very early because this was weekdays, so no rush was there. But I'll highly suggest you that do everything that you do based on the appointment, or else you would need to wait for 2 to 3 hours. And this is not something that I am telling from my side. It is based on the user experience, what I have read online. Now, one more thing to remember is like the replacement device that you will get, you will not be receiving the box for that. So they will just hand over you that device and they will take the box with them. Even after requesting them, they will not let you take that because they have their own terms and condition. It might be because you can resell the device, right? So make sure to remember that. And I even read online that people mention that this device might be the refurbished one. But again, there is no way how we can exactly confirm this particular thing. So I don't want to go into that in depth. But yeah, again, on the first day itself, when I submitted this watch, I also spoke with the Apple Genius person regarding why exactly this issue occurs and is it something common for most of the people. So he responded me in a very good way and he gave me a very good solution, and I hope that will be useful for you guys as well. So the reason for this discoloration issue is basically the chemical reaction that happens, and it usually happens because of the salt content in the water that gets accumulated on our watch, and not only just the salty water but also your sweat. So if the sweat remains there for a longer time, then again that is also causes a reaction, and even the soap water. So everything that has a chemical or salt involved will basically react with this color, and that is the reason why this discoloration issue has been seen. So to fix this, the simple way would be you can just wipe this watch dial on weekly basis. You can use a microfiber cloth. Avoid using any normal cloth because that might give you some minor scratches which will not be visible at that time, but at the longer duration in future you will start seeing those scratches very easily. So avoid that. You can wash it under a running water, but again it depends on how harsh that water is. If that water is too harsh, again it will be a problem. So better to use a microfiber cloth only. And in case if you are afraid of getting your screen damaged due to any kind of accidental damage, you can for sure check out this particular video where I have spoken about a watch case, that is this one, which will help you to get the things fixed. Now on my previous watch itself, when I showed it to that Apple Genius person, he also mentioned me that there is not even a single scratch on my screen, and that is only because of this screen protector. It not only protects our screen, that is the display, but it also protects the side, that is the body of this particular watch. So yeah, that was all about this video. Let me know if you have any further question regarding this thing in the comment down below. So thank you for watching till the end. I hope your problem was solved, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.